Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about 3 stocks I'm buying this month. Recently, the market has been very volatile, and I want to take advantage of this opportunity. First stock is Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. They design and manufacture smartphones, computers, wearables, and accessories. Current price is $228. Market cap is $1,010,000,000,000. So this is one of the $1 trillion companies alongside with Microsoft and Amazon. PE ratio is 18. And forward PE ratio is 14.8, which is lower than the market average of 17. Taking a look at the performance, past year, up 19.99%. This dipped from $327, so 72% to 20, that's like 52%. So it dipped quite a bit since all-time highs this year. Past 5 years, up 84.05%. Dividend yield is 1.34% or $3.08 per year. Next stock is Visa, ticker symbol V. They operate as a payment technology company. Current price is $145. Market cap is $307 billion. P ratio is 28 and forward P ratio is 21, which is higher than the market average of 17, but I think it's justified with the potential upside growth in the long term. Taking a look at the performance, 1 year, down 5.39%. At one point, all-time highs were at about $213. So that's up 39% at all-time highs. So it dropped 34%. Past 5 years, up 113.23%. Dividend yield is 0.82% or $1.20 per year. I think it's a very good dividend growth stock, so it's a very good long-term hold. Next stock, the last stock is Facebook, ticker symbol FB. They develop products that enable people to connect and share with friends and family through mobile devices, computers, and virtual reality products. Current price is $148. Market cap is $410 billion. PE ratio is 25, and forward PE ratio is 14, which is low compared to the market average of 17. Taking a look at the performance 1 year, down 10.24%. Past 5 years, up 76.36%. So at one point, all-time highs were about $218, up 32%. So now it's down 10%. So that's, what is that? 35, 10, was like 40, 45%. So it took a significant dip recently. The thing about Facebook is that it doesn't pay a dividend yield. So it doesn't pay its shareholders for holding its stock, which means they are reinvesting all profits back into growth. That's all for this video. What's in your portfolio? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or a free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.